Allison here, and in today's video we are going to learn how to paste text into a field without the formatting. Let's get started. So oftentimes we find ourselves in a situation where we've copied text from an email, a web page, or a document, and when we paste it into a field in FileMaker, it includes the formatting like font, style, color, bold, etc. And we do not want this. We want the formatting to be exactly like it is for the field. So in our example, if I paste, I have some text here that's dark gray, and some of it is blue and underlined, and this is not what I want. I want it to paste and match the style. So I'm going to get rid of that and use the shortcut key, which is on a Mac, Command Option Shift V, and on Windows it is Control Shift V. And when I do that, there you go. It pastes only the text without any of the formatting. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and you'll be notified when they're released every week. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.